as it relates to your product or service, what would position your customer as the hero? If you have like a children's clothing company, who's the buyer? The mother. What desire is being filled by the mom choosing your brand or your products? Do they want to be seen as the cool mom that dresses their kids in really cool clothes? What we want to do is craft this story. Now, yeah, we're going to showcase the clothes that are really cool. But beyond that, let's think about how are we going to create content? So social media posts, the imagery that we use on our website, the copy that's on the website, the copy that's used to describe the clothing pieces. And think about this mom. She loves to express herself through her own clothes, but she also wants to express herself through the way that she dresses her kids. If we build our brand story around this cool mom, we are going to, how do we solve your problem? By providing designs that are really cool. This is a story that we're building about why someone would purchase with us over someone else.